description of the research. This non-experimental, descriptive study explored the perceptions of the education and business policymakers or even students in the academe rely on. Whether or how research and statistics are credible and usable in making evidence-based decision based from the gathered information. The study also implies the role of research and statistics in the decision-making process and significance on coming up with credible and valid analysis. Research and statistics
are essential components of decision-making across multiple sectors, including healthcare, business, education, and social sciences. Through the systematic collection, analysis, and interpretation of data, these tools offer valuable insights that guide decisions, policies, and strategies. This concept paper aims to explore the significance of research and statistics in solving modern-day challenges, with a focus on their practical applications, benefits, and associated challenges. Therefore, research and statistics are both vital to outsourcing non-ambiguous summaries/results that guide them in decision-making.
I'm going to discuss about the background of the study of our research, which is entitled The Role of Research and Statistics, Evidence-Based Decision-Making. So, in order to produce a quality research, especially if it is used for sound decision-making, it is necessary or crucial to have a relevant, reliable, the current data and updated data, and of course the appropriate statistical tools. So it also needs data, wherein this data could be used as a basis for the evaluation, monitoring, allocation, validation, and making conclusion. While statistical techniques, it is the use of this is to ensure the objectivity, of course, and then the presentation of the research. As we all know that we are already in a modern or 21st century, so into this data-driven world, decision-making has evolved from intuition-based approaches to systematic. It is also important that it must based or there is an evidence-based strategies. So research and statistics play a fundamental role in shaping policies, business strategies, as well as the healthcare decision and educational reforms. So by using quantitative and qualitative research and methodologies, organizations and individuals can make informed choices that lead to improve the outcomes. So the evidence-based decision-making, or the EBDM, it refers to the practice of using empirical research, statistical analysis, and reliable data, of course, to guide. We always need a guide to guide the choices in various fields. So whether in healthcare, in almost in all areas or field, it needs a guide. Example, in determining the effectiveness of a new drug. Business, example, in market trends, in analysis, in education, in student performance-based, it needs the evidence-based decision-making to arrive or to have a appropriate and effective outcome. Or in public policy, example, the economic forecasting. Research and statistics offer a systematic approach to problem solving. However, despite the proven advantages of evidence-based decision-making, there's still many organizations struggle with misinterpreting data, and they even failed to apply the proper research methods and dealing with statistical reports. So this paper, it explores the essential role of research and statistics in decision making. It also highlights the challenges, of course. If there are advantages, there are also disadvantages. So it needs a method or strategies on how to address those negative effects. And also it provides recommendation for maximizing their impact. Research and statistics have become the backbone of the modern problem solving and decision making. So without data-driven insights, policies and business strategies could be built on assumptions rather than facts. So according to a study by Second, in the 8th in the year of 1996, evidence-based medicine significantly improved patient outcomes compared to the treatment based on tradition or expert opinion alone. So similarly, business leaders in the using statistical forecasting can predict market trends in the consumer behavior with greater accuracy. Of course, because this research is evidence-based, so of course it is more accurate compared to those methods that is based only on assumption. So it also reduces risk and maximizing the profit. So in education, research enables policymakers to develop also in curricula, especially in the Department of Education, because this is really their main target about the development or to develop a effective and better curricula that could really cater the needs of the diverse learners in the different school. So that's why it is useful to develop their curricula based on student performance data and cognitive science. It helps to ensure that learning strategies are effective. So in government, a statistical analysis of economic indicators helps shape fiscal policies that address inflation, unemployment, of course, as we all know today. There are a lot of people who's unemployed, so it's better to address it or to have a remedy on how to address it. And also there is, because the poverty, Philippines are prone, or most of the people in the Philippines experience poverty. So here in research method, our research methods are the backbone of many scientific inquiry, providing the framework through which we can explore, analyze, understand various phenomena. So in my introduction to method of research course, I have encountered a variety of methodologies that only broadened my understanding of how research is conducted, but it's also highlighted the importance of choosing the appropriate method for specific research and questions. So this reaction paper aims to reflect on the key research methods discussed in class and my personal insights regarding their applications and significance. So throughout the course, we explored several methodologies, each with its unique strength and weaknesses. So qualitative research focuses on understanding human behavior and the reason that governs such behavior. So often through interviews and focus groups. In contrast, quantitative research emphasizes numerical data and statistical analysis, allowing for broader generalization. We also discussed experimental method, which involve manipulating variables to determine cause and effect, the relationship in non-experimental methods, which observe subject in their natural environment without intervention. So, to adduce, we examined various data collection techniques, including the surveys, which also gather information from a large population in case study, which provide an in-depth look or at a single subject or group. So, each method has its place, and research and understanding when to use each is crucial for effective inquiry. So learning about the diverse research method has been enlightening. I found the distinction between qualitative and quantitative research. So as it also underscores the different ways that we can use as approach in the research question. However, we also face challenges. Of course, challenges will not be out in our way and everything that we do. So, considering surrounding research method, we were another critical aspect that resonated with me. So, understanding the importance of ethics in research, such as informed consent and confidentiality, is vital for conducting responsible and credible research. So, in the realm of research, the concept of reliability and validity are fundamental to ensure that the findings are credible of course, and it is applicable. So throughout my studies, I have come to appreciate how these two concepts serve a cornerstone of research quality. So this reaction paper also aims to summarize our understanding of reliability and validity, reflect on their significance research, and discuss the implication for future studies. So learning about reliability and validity has profoundly impacted my perspective on research and methodology. So initially, I viewed this concept as more technicalities, but now recognize the critical role in establishing the credibility of research findings. Failing to uphold the standard can lead to misinformation and potentially harmful consequences.